Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Salma. Please don't forget to subscribe, give a like and turn on the bell. And thank you so much for my subscribers and my unsubscribers. Hopefully they are not happy, so I really appreciate. So guys, my car has been having a problem, so I'm taking my car to one of the garage to let them check what's wrong with my car. Okay guys, this area is a garage place, you know, all mechanical. It's here, car mechanical, motorcycle, motorbike, bicycle, all here. Every side is a busy area, business area. My God, like you can see how busy it is. My God, can't believe this.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
Oh, so Google telling me to turn right and my destination will be on the left. Google, is it? Okay, so I have to go down over here.
Take the next right toward Road 1445, then turn right onto Road 1445.
So this, oh my God, this garage. See. Oh my God, if you have not been in Bahrain, you don't know how Bahrain look like. There is part of Bahrain that look like this. Is special only for the garage and different kind of business. So like you can see, this is it. Like paintings, everything, guys. You can see this. My God. Guys, so I come to one of my friend's shop. Actually, they have a mechanical ingredient shop and also painting shop. So I brought my car over here to check what's wrong with my car. Like they have to check everything about the car. For the denting, they're gonna do refilling for me. This on the scratches to refill it. And for the engine as well, they need to do some work in the engine. So I think the work is gonna be good. So they are doing this to check how it's working. So guys, I brought my car in the garage and I think it's having a problem. So these are the mechanics. So they're checking the car, what's the problem with it. So like this is what he's making the jack to see what's wrong with the car. Ha, Baya. So you have to check what is wrong on the wheel or wheel. Rahman. So Rahman, I brought my car. Actually, my car has been having a problem like about when you go speed up to 100. So it's coming vibration.
Yes, this is now I will check the bearing and the tire. This is क्या होता है? Wheel shopper.
Will shuffer.
Wheel shopper. Wheel shopper.
Will shuffer.
Wheel shopper. Yeah, that's coming the wheel inside.
Okay.
Yeah, left and right. Both. Yeah. Then inshallah solve your problem.
Oh, so inshallah my problem will be solved after
Yeah, yeah.
checking everything.
Hi, how are you? So, I'm good.
Jamia.
Hi, yeah, so you're the customer you brought your car.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how is the service of the car?
Nice.
Nice. Okay, so like how long does it take to finish the work?
1 day, 2 days.
Yeah, you remove all the extra.
All removed.
Oh, that's so great. So you are lucky to get your car.
Yeah.
So how's the service? Is it good? Wow, that's a great. Yeah, thank you so much. Do you have to get?
Yeah.
Yes. You are the owner, right? And you did all this work. Congratulations to you. The customer is very happy
Yes,
about
yes,
it.
very happy inshallah for all customers. I will try to make all payment.
Yeah, so next time we're going to have more customers.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Like for me, if I have from my India,
Yes.
you can also pick it from me, right? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Guys, this is the
Well,
place,
yeah.
so if you like, if
Tell me
you
the
want to
time.
come here for your car, everything,
Almost
that's
finished.
something
Finish
like
up,
that. He's the owner, so he can deal with your car. He can fix it so better. Thank you so much.